So good morning, one and all, and welcome to the virtual class. Today we will see a new topic in a grammar, that is the pronoun and types of pronoun. Before moving ahead about the types of pronoun, first we will see the basic concept of the pronoun. Pronoun means what? That Pronoun, it take the place of the noun. Pronoun, it's take the place of the noun. That is the person, place, animal, things. His name is mentioned over there. Instead of the name, we are using such kinds of words that is called a pronoun. For examples, that he, we, they, you, it, she, I, it, you, they, we, she, he. This all comes under the pronoun. Some are used for the human beings, some are used for the boys and girls, and some are used for the animals and the things. Okay, there is a different ways while using the different kinds of pronoun. Now, let us see. These are some of the examples of the pronoun. The first is, this is my mother. My mother is beautiful. Okay. Now, students, in this both the sentences, my mother is repeating two times. This is my mother. My mother is beautiful. Now, instead of my mother, we have to use she, because she, her, it's indicate female, right? So she is beautiful. She is beautiful. Instead of my mother, you can use here she. She is beautiful. Okay, so what we are using here? This is the pronoun. This is my father. My father is tall. Now, my father is repeating again. So instead of repeating this noun, we can use he. He is tall. I have a pet. The pet is a dog. Okay. Now the pet word is repeating so many times. Now instead of the pet, we can use over here it. Okay. It is a dog. Students, it is used for the animals, even the things also. It is used for the animals, even the thing also. Okay, dear students. These are the example and basic rule about the pronoun. Now, let me have next. As I told you, student, it is used for the animals and the things which is present over here. The examples are there. It has green grasses. It gives us milk. Now, the pronoun I, he, she. I, he, she. Pronoun we. We is used for if the more two or three peoples are there, that time we are using we. Okay, so these kinds of words and the examples about the pronoun. Pronoun means what, students? Basically, a word which is used in place of a noun is called a pronoun. Examples are over there. Okay, I, you, they, his, her, them, we, her, she, etc. These are the pronoun. Okay, now let us see one example over there. Here we have the two lines about the Sania Nehwal. Sania Nehwal is a sports person. Sania play badminton. The racket lying on the table belongs to Sania Nehwal. All right. Now see, student, instead of repeating her name, I have to use the pronoun. Okay. See the next sentence. See this sentence, students. That Sania Nehwal is a sports person. She played badminton. The racket lying on the table belonged to her. Okay, now this is the she and her. They are using for the pronoun. All right, dear students. Now, students, you people were asking the things which has come to your mind, that teacher, why they are not repeating the she again? Because their students, such kinds of sentences are there that you cannot use repeat again and again. She played badminton. The racket lying on the table belongs to she. No, this sentence said sentence formation, it's not correct. At that time, you have to be put over there her. Okay, the racket lying on the table belong to her, because it's indicate that something is belong to her. Okay, so at that time you have to be pay attention while making the sentence formation. Okay, now this is all about the pronoun. This is all about the pronoun. Today we have to see the types of the pronoun. Okay, today we have to see the types of the pronoun. First, we will see the first types of the pronoun, that is the subject pronoun. That is the subject pronoun. Okay, subject pronoun, and these are the example. They, she, it. Second is the object pronoun, possessive pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. Now, we will see all this pronoun one by one. First, let me discuss about the subject pronoun. What is the subject pronoun? Now, subject pronoun. Subject pronoun, they perform the action in a sentence. They perform action in a sentence. These are the examples that which kind of pronoun it's suitable for the subject pronoun. All right. Now, see the first example. We run a race. We run a race. Okay. This sentence, it might be declared about some kind of action. Some kind of action is going on. Okay. Subject pronoun means what? Where the action in a sentence is performing, that is called out the subject pronoun. Okay. This is our first sentence. That means the first example. We run a race. So here some kind of action is going on in this sentences. But did you find the name of the particular person in this sentence? No, we are finding a pronoun, we. Now you people was thinking, why we over there? Because we are not talking about a single person, a single boy or single girl. There are the group of the people. So when they are finding a group of the people, that we called out we. So we run a race. Actually, the sentence will come like this way. Huh? We are we are we are running a race. Huh? This is the correct sentence, but here in short it is written over there. We run a race. Okay, because there are the group of the people. Now let us see the more example related about the subject pronoun. See, these are the pronoun which comes under the subject. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. All right. Now this pronoun we can utilize while making for these sentences. See the first sentence. She is the best basketball player in the team. Okay. Now here the action is going on and she is indicate the subject pronoun. Okay. He get up early every day. So it's indicate the subject pronoun. We go to the gym club together. They speak English in USA. He loves to play basketball. They sleep in the afternoon. You go to holiday every summer. I love I love my new pets. It smells very delicious in the kitchen. Okay. So this all are the subject pronoun with where the sentence it shows and indicate the action is performing. Okay. Now wait a minute. Now, let me discuss about the object pronoun. Now, what is the object pronoun? Wait a minute. Object pronoun, they receive the action in a sentences. All right. Now, what is the subject pronoun? Subject pronoun, that means they perform the action in a sentences, and the object pronoun, where they receive the action, where they receive the action. Let me see the sentence. What is the sentence over there? The sentence is, what is the sentence over there? The drama is going to the party with him. The drama is going to the party with him. Okay. So here the action is going on. All right. But the action is receiving by the person. The action is receiving by the person. So that is called the object pronoun. The object pronoun. Now, let me show you some example. Wait. See, this kind of pronoun, it comes under the object pronoun. Me, you, him, her, it, us, you, them. All right. Now, next is, see, these are the sentences of the object pronoun. I brought a gift for them. I brought a gift for them. So here you can identify the two pronouns are there. Okay. But you should recognize You should be recognize this last one because this pronouns is receiving the action. This pronoun is receiving the action. Okay. So this is the object pronoun because this is receiving the action. Okay. John bakes a cake for her. So her is an object pronoun because she is receiving the action. There is enough candies for us. Object pronoun. Give your empty place to them. Object pronoun. Okay, because action is receiving by the pronoun. All right. Now let me. Okay. Now let me see the next pronoun, that is a reflexive pronoun. That is the reflexive pronoun. Okay. They are used now. What is the reflexive pronoun? They are used when we refer to the subject of the sentence again. In other words, this pronoun are used when the object of the sentence is the same and its subject. Okay, when the object and the subjects is the same receiving the action, that is called the reflexive pronoun. That is called the relaxive pronoun. Relaxive pronoun means what, students? That they refer back to the person. They refer back to a same person. That means object and subject are the same, or the things, person or the things. Okay, we oftenly use relaxive pronoun when the subject and the object, their actions are the same. When the subject and the object, their actions are the same. Okay, for example, I cut myself. I cut myself when I was making dinner last night. I cut myself when I was making dinner last night. So here what happens, students? The action is going on with the subject, even the object. All right, the action is going on. Okay, here only the one person play a role, and that the person is talking about ourselves only. Understood? So when the subject and object is doing something for themselves, so this kinds of sentences and words is the example of the reflexive pronoun, is the example of the reflexive pronoun. Okay, let us see some more sentences. Okay, see here we have one example. The children cooked for themselves. Okay, children cooked for themselves. So here their action, once again, here their actions for themselves only. Okay, here the action for themselves. For example, that I'm doing myself. Okay, I'm doing something for myself. So so there are the so many things that you are doing for yourself only. Okay. So children cook for themselves. So this action is belongs only to the children. They are not doing this thing for the other person. For this kinds of examples, myself, yourself, himself, herself, themself, itself, ourself. Okay, where the actions are belongs to the subject and the object both are common, that is called the reflexive pronoun. That is called the reflexive pronoun. Wait, let me show you some more example. See, this is the examples of the reflexive pronoun. Okay, I was in a hurry, so I washed the car myself. Okay, this is the first example. I was in a hurry, so I washed my car for myself. Okay, so to whom he's for whom he is washing the car, for himself. Okay, so that means myself. That means the here the action is goes for the subject itself, and the object is also is the same particular person. See, here the subject is I. Okay, so I washed the car myself. Okay, I washed the car myself. Here the I, subject, and object are the same. So this is the reflexive pronoun because myself is shows the reflexive pronoun. All right. So students, in the sentence, if the subject is doing something for ourselves only, okay, so that kind of sentence, that kind of words are called how reflexive pronoun. Let me see some more example. That is, you are going to have to drive yourself to school today, yourself. Okay, so here again the action is doing for ourselves. He wanted to impress her, so he baked a cake himself. Okay, Jennifer does chores herself because she doesn't trust other to do them right. So herself, okay, this is the examples of relative pronoun. The car is in class all by itself. So this also a itself. Okay, the car is in a class all by itself. So itself, this is also shows the relative pronoun. This is also shows the relative pronoun. Okay, so this is all about the relative pronoun. Okay. That is a possessive pronoun. This is also very short and very simplest that show ownership. What is a possessive pronoun? That is shows the ownership. For example, mine, yours, his, her, ours, yours, its, their. These are the example of the possessive pronoun. What is possessive pronoun? That shows something belongs to someone. That means someone have the ownership of that particular thing or the person. This also an independent form of each of this pronoun. Here we have some examples: mine, ours, yours. Okay, let me see the sentences of the possessive pronoun. See, possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. Okay, possession or ownership. This pen is my pen, not your pen. Okay, dear student, this pen is my pen, not your pen. So here, the sentence shows the ownership that I have the right on that particular pen. So my and your, if you find the pronoun in such kinds of statement, the statement it shows the ownership or owns, that pronoun comes under the possessive pronoun. This pen is mine, not yours. Okay, this sentence is also shows the ownership. Okay, mine, this my computer, it's mine. Okay, now let me see some more sentences. Ours, the birds is ours. Okay, the house is yours, the car is theirs. Okay, the shirt is mine, the book is yours, the pillow is hers, or the pillow is his, the dog is hers. Okay, so this kinds of sentence which is shows the ownership. Okay, particular things or particular person, it's ownership. That kind of sentence is comes under the possessive pronoun. It comes under the possessive pronoun. Okay, dear students. So today we have seen all about the pronoun and the types of the pronoun.